Philippine President extends enhanced community quarantine until May 15. Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte has decided to extend the enhanced community quarantine in high-risk areas in the country until May 15. This includes Metro Manila, Central Luzon, Calabarzon, and the provinces of Albay, Benguet, Mindoro Island, Pangasinan, and Rizal, among others. Other areas are to be placed under a general community quarantine beginning on May 1. Presidential spokesperson Harry Roque announced the decision in a televised briefing aired on April 24. CNN reports that Duterte came to the decision to extend the enhanced community quarantine after several meetings with the country's interagency task force for the management of emerging infectious diseases. The task force had recommended classifying the Philippines' main island of Luzon into areas that have low, moderate, and high risk of infection after health experts previously suggested the entire island need not be put under quarantine. The Luzon Enhanced Community Quarantine, which was initially supposed to end on April 14 and which was then extended to April 30, seems to be working. The country's Department of Health has said that the time it takes for coronavirus cases to double is now just at 5 days instead of the 3 days in March. The task force took the virus doubling time, Philippine healthcare system's capacity for COVID-19 response, and number of confirmed new cases into account before recommending the extension of the quarantine. The World Health Organization has warned against hastily lifting coronavirus quarantine restrictions due to the possibility of a second wave of infections. Duterte also threatened to declare martial law if the lawlessness of rebels from the Communist New People's Army continues. The rebels reportedly gunned soldiers escorting aid distribution. According to the Philippine Star, the attack occurred in Aurora, leading to the death of 2 soldiers. The Philippine Constitution allows for the declaration of martial law in case of invasion or rebellion when the public safety requires it. Other forms of violence have also been reported throughout the quarantine, including the fatal shooting of mentally challenged former soldier Winston Ragos by a policeman. Philippine Department of Trade and Industry Secretary Ramon Lopez said that the public need not worry about food and hygiene supplies during the extended enhanced community quarantine. GMA News reports that food production and other essential businesses will remain open.